Okay, this next video is just going to be about question 12. And there is going to be a lot of steps to this question. So I just want to not give you the answer, but kind of guide you down that road. So you have the original triangle, which is ABC. And we know that this is 3 and this is 3. So it's a 90-degree angle. So we know it's a right triangle. And if you look carefully, the last question is going to say how many times greater is the length of one side than the length of this side, BC. So that lets me know that we're definitely going to need to know that length in the future. So remember, we always start off with a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And I'm going to do 3 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared, right? So remember, Pythagorean theorem. So 9 plus 9 equals c squared. 18 equals c squared. And then to finish it off, I would have to take the square root of 18 equals c, because I would take the square root of that. Equals c, all right? And I think that that's approximately 4.24 or something like that. So now we know the side length of BC. Well, now they're telling us to compare this with another triangle, all right? And it says it's going to be a similar triangle, but instead of ABC, we're going to have DEF, all right? And they said D is going to be where our right triangle is, but DE is going to be twice as long, right? Well, if this is 3, well, what's 3? What's twice of 3? So that's 2 times 3, which is 6, right? And then they said DF is going to be 4 times as long. So what's 4 times 3? That would be 12, all right? And now we need to be able to find what the length of this side is, and then we're going to compare that to the length that we already have here. So remember, same thing, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I have 6 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. And I want you to continue to solve that. Now remember, we said that this was 4.24 or something like that. So once I find out what this one is, once I find out what the answer is here, they're saying how many times greater all right? And that's the question. And once they have that question, you're almost always going to divide. So whatever you get for the answer, for the hypotenuse of this triangle, we're going to divide that by the hypotenuse of the first triangle to figure out how many times greater it is. Good luck with that one.